This is tutoring for intermediate algebra at Raritan Valley Community College. So we're going to talk about the content in chapter 11.6, equations in quadratic form. So remember, the standard form of a quadratic equation is ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Now in this particular chapter, you come across equations that look similar to this, but they're not quite the same. So for instance, if I have like x to the 6th plus 2x to the 3rd plus 1 equals 0. It's not a quadratic because you have x to the 6th and x to the 3rd. However, you can make it into one by doing a substitution. So if you notice here, the way it works is like this. The lower power here is x to the 3rd, right? So let u equal x to the 3rd. Well, then I want to get x to the 6th out of this. So if I take u equals x to the 3rd and I square both sides, then that means I get u to the 2nd equals x to the 6th. So then you would just substitute it in like so. X to the 6th is u squared, so this becomes u squared. X to the 3rd is u, so plus 2u plus 1 equals 0. And then you would solve it like you would a quadratic. You want to see if you can factor it, of course. So in this case, yeah, you solve by factoring, and then you get the values for u. But keep in mind, you're trying to find values for x. So you have to plug back in what your u is, and then, you have to plug back in what your u is. You get your, whatever your x is. So in this case, u would be x to the 3rd, and then, you would solve it from there. So that's pretty much it for this whole chapter. You're literally just looking at equations that are in quadratic form. They're similar to the standard form of a quadratic equation, but they're not quite the same. So you have to use some manipulation and some substitution to solve these problems. And that's pretty much this whole chapter. So I hope this video helps. See you all next time. Bye-bye.